Hello everyone, this is Ishita. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is related to one package which I got. Let me show you. So I've already opened that box and this is from IL Makiage. I'm gonna show you. I have 4 products in it. I'm gonna use those products to do my makeup. So basically this is a foundation. Like I heard so many good things about these products, so that's a reason I was thinking to let's try it. Let's give a try. If I like it, I'll definitely put it in my vanity. So that's the reason I purchased this foundation and the a primer and two more extra things. I'm not sure what they have sent to me in that box. Those are the 2 extra things are like a gift. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the name of that product is correct or not, the brand name is correct or not. I really apologize for that, but let me tell you one thing. I heard so many good things about this product and I definitely want to try that one. So I'm gonna just start using those products to do my makeup for today. And anyways, I'm going out today, so I just wanted to check how it give me the coverage and how it works for if I'm putting the makeup for a long time of period. Do you know that if I'm going to office, I always do the makeup. So these are the products I'm getting in this box here. I'm gonna quickly apply on my face and see how it will look on my face. If you're in my skin tone, I'm gonna let you know which shade is for my skin tone. I'm not sure because you have to do some kind of questionnaires and they will fix you. They will send you the most matches foundation to your skin tone. So I'm going to just try in front of you. So let's get into it. So the first product, the first thing they send me some kind of I don't know what is that. Okay, instruction like how you can use those products. So the first step is apply 2 pumps of foundation into the back of your hand or directly to your brush or sponge applicator. So this is the first thing. Use the brush or a sponge applicator to dab the foundation into your skin. Blend the foundation over your entire face and wait for 5 minutes for the foundation to completely set. And do not compare the shade match to your neck or wrist. Okay, so like for example, if you're trying those products, make sure that you're applying on your face, not here, not on your hand. Complete your look into your fab products. Bonus points if they are yours. No filter poreless base smoothing primer. This is the product. Okay. Wow, look at this, the packaging, guys. So silvery, sort of retro thing, right? Oh, this is it has a pump in it. The second one is the foundation, flawless base foundation. Oh, it has a very unique packaging. Look at this. Let's do this. Like you have to open it like this way, like this. It has a magnet in it. Are you kidding me? Alright, so like this you'll be getting your foundation here. It came with this one. This is the foundation. Okay, it's a pump style. I'm gonna try it, but let me just show you what else we have. I'm not sure what it is. Just open it. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, that's great. Oh, I love this. This one again. This is the gift. I got the brush. Wow, amazing. Look at this. It's very fluffy. I'm gonna use this brush to do my foundation and everything, base and everything. Okay, let's begin with those products. Apply a little bit this area. Oh, wow. Basically, I'm gonna apply on my face. This is a little bit using that brush. Is it? I'm not sure. Do you think? I don't think so. I feel like it's not. I'm not sure if the camera is capturing the right. What do you think? I can see still the line here, still the pigmentation here. It's not giving me coverage around this area. It's like I'm just using directly to my face without using any correction and also. Let's see. Okay. So guys, so this is the foundation. What do you think?